Have you ever picked up a beautiful stone and asked yourself, is this agate or jasper? At first glance, they may seem similar, but once you know what to look for, the difference becomes clear. Agate is known for its smooth flowing bands of color. It often appears semi-transparent or translucent, with beautiful layers that look like they were painted by nature over thousands of years. Agate forms in the cavities of volcanic rocks as silica-rich water deposits layer after layer, creating those stunning patterns. Jasper, on the other hand, is more solid and earthy. It's always opaque, meaning no light passes through. You won't find neat bands in jasper. Instead, you'll see spots, swirls, or patches of color. This happens because jasper contains more mineral impurities, giving it that bold, natural look. Think of agate as the calm, balanced energy, soft and meditative. And jasper, it's the stone of strength and grounding, bold, powerful, and deeply connected to the earth. Both are part of the same quartz family. Both are beautiful in their own way, and both carry unique energies and stories. So next time you're holding a mysterious stone, look closely. Is it layered and glowing from within? Or is it solid and earthy with wild colors? That might just tell you, agate or jasper.